Okay, we're going to go through and customize a few more things. I just want to show you how to really kind of customize this theme up. So if you go to the admin area and you hover over Ultra, you click on Customize, and it'll take a second for it to load. Now it's going to load a little preview over here. It's not exactly how the site's going to look. For one, it has a gray background where the actual site has a white background. But if everything doesn't look perfect, don't fret too much. It's just the preview doesn't always work perfectly. Just go ahead and, if you make a change and it's not looking right here, click Save and then go over and refresh the page, and you can see how it looks live on the site. So let's first go and install a logo, and so I'm just going to click on Site Logo and Tagline, and I'm going to choose a logo image, and I'm going to click on this box right here. And here is the logo that I'm going to use. This is all just some images that were just installed with the theme. Click on that, and you can see that it updated right here. I can click Save, and I can see it over here as well. There it is. So you can see it doesn't quite look the same. One is it's being squished a little bit more, so it changes. It put the tagline over here on the side rather than underneath it. Not a big deal. I don't want the tagline anyway, so I'm just going to click None, and we'll go ahead and save as well. Update that, and sometimes this customize thing just doesn't quite work the right way. So one thing I'll do is I'll click on text here, and we're just going to remove it like that. And I'll click Save. Actually, this one is still taking a second to load. There we go. Okay, so if you can't do it one way, try it another way, and that's just how all website stuff is. Basically, you can just go through each one of these things. You can go through the main navigation. You can choose a font size that you want to have. So that would be this is the main navigation. So I'm going to change that. Let's say we want to make that 24. So we made the font size bigger, and we can make the line height 50. You can see that kind of brought it down more to the center. We can choose it to be italics or bold or both or one or the other. We can also choose a color, and so I'm going to choose, let's do black, and we can even choose a background color, so we could do a little bit darker red. So there's a lot of different options that we can do. Now there is the standard menu links, but then there's also menu link hovers. So when you hover over the menu link, what happens to it? So let's choose and make it white when you hover over it. So actually, and that was the background that I chose there, didn't I? Now you can see it kind of changes up. This isn't accurate. It has trouble loading the preview, but you can try it live and see how it really works. But you also have the menu active link hover. So that's if it's an active link. If we're on a certain page, it's going to make that the active link, and you can change the hover and the color for that. You can also change, let's see, we've got the menu link hover, the regular menu link, and the active link hover. So let's see a few other things that we've got here. If you do know any CSS, you can actually put it right here if you want to have some custom CSS. The CSS is actually like these numbers and colors and different things like that. You can actually add them here if you know some. If you don't, then it's best just to fiddle with all this up here. So if you have any questions, feel free to just shoot us over a ticket. Go to topedgeservices.com/contact us.